This is Padaejeon, which translates to Korean green lava pancake, and it came out as a free side dish in this restaurant I visited.
This is absolutely amazing. It even comes with John. I am super excited to try this. 사실 혹시 이거 어떤 전이에요? 파레전이에요. 진짜 맛있겠다. Wow. So good.